Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about compiler design. People will think that this is a very tougher subject, but the real fact is it is easy to understand and it is an easier subject. Alright? So before moving into the introduction part, it is my duty to master you the difference between the compiler and the interpreter. Alright, here we go. Compiler. So this compiler is a program that will convert the source program into the target program. The source program may be the high-level language and the target program must be the executable language. Alright? So this compiler will convert the entire program. For example, if we have 10 lines of program, that will convert this 10 lines of programs into the target code at a time. So at a time, it will take the entire program and it converts into the target program. And now I'll talk about the interpreter. Interpreter, it is a program that will convert the source program into the machine code one statement at a time. Let me give you a very good example about the compiler and the interpreter. For example, our Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, if he visits Tamil Nadu and if he gives a speech to the Tamil Nadu people, he only speaks in Hindi, where most of the Tamil Nadu people, they do not understand Hindi language. So, whenever Modi says a single line, there will be one translator, he will translate into the Tamil language. That is the duty of the interpreter. For example, if Modi says, Hamara desh mein, then the translator who speaks Tamil, he say, Namadu Bharata Tirunadu. Alright? So, like this interpreter will convert the source program into the machine code one statement at a time. So, if it translates one statement at a time, it will take more execution time. But whereas here, since the entire program has been translated, it takes only the less amount of executable time. I hope you understand. Am I clear? Alright, now moving to the next part. It will display all the errors and warnings at a time. If this program contains 10 errors, it will display all the errors and the warnings at a time. Whereas this interpreter, it will display only one error at a time. Clear? It will display all the errors and it will display only one error at a time. And coming back to the memory concept, it needs more memory. Do you know the reason why it needs more memory? Because this compiler will produce the object code every time. Whenever you compile the program, it will produce the object code. I mean, it has the intermediate codes. So intermediate code may take some memory. So it occupies more memory, whereas in interpreter, there is no need of occupying more memory. Means what? There is no intermediate code generation. So it occupies only less memory. Now you might have the doubt like, which programming languages use compilers and which programming languages use interpreters. So I have few examples for you. The programming languages like C, C++ may use this compiler, and the programming languages like Python and Ruby may use this interpreter concept. So that's all. I hope you would have enjoyed my video by learning what is the difference between the compiler and the interpreter. Alright? Thanks for watching my video.